Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Jewelry commercial, emerald ring and necklace. Well, I have this image. This is today's subject. This image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop, used filter called Find Edges. And I'm gonna make something interesting, something impressive image from these two images now. Okay, I may smudge this image later, but let me check the changing blend mode on this pencil drawing type image. Now it's normal to darken. Now we can see through underneath of the image the dark lines. Now change to color burn, linear burn. Pretty nice. Yeah. Okay, go darker color, lighten. This is interesting too. Real saddle pink color. Let me compare to luminosity. Oh, that's much better. Luminosity. Well, okay. Soft light overlay. This is nice too. Luminosity. Kind of cute. Well, luminosity 75, 70%. Well, let's make this image fixed. This is base image. Okay, I'm gonna make a group of these two images. Then I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Duplicate these layers. Now I'm going to flatten this image. So I got combined one layer. Luminosity effect layer. Then this is too saddle color wise. So I'm going to duplicate this layer. Then one of the top layer, change the blend mode to linear burn, multiply. That's same effect. Linear burn has more magenta-ish, reddish, multiply 70%. Then I'm gonna merge down. Now I'm gonna rename, okay, luminosity effect layer. This image, okay, and I'm gonna move these two, well, break up this group, move these two out of the group. Then I'm going to delete this group. Now I'm going to move this pencil drawing type image, move up and change blend mode, bring back to normal. Then turn it off to keep it right now. And let me see about this luminosity effect layer. It's kind of nice. Around the emerald. Nice image around here. Details. Yeah, I like that. Well, let me see. Nice kind of saddle feeling. And let me see this pencil drawing type image. Now change blend mode to darken. Then tone down, just touch 80% or so. This is nice. Okay, I'm gonna add layer. Then I'm going gonna fill layer, then I make mask. Now I'm gonna select brush, drawing to evolve. That's cool. I like this. Real shadow image. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this base image. Then move this one, go up. Now I'm gonna make mask. Then invert this mask. Now I'm gonna reveal airbrushing to soft brush. This is real soft. This background perfume bottle. Now from here I'm gonna mask with the Evolve texture brush. And reveal, same Evolve texture brush. It's gonna be the combination to finish up this image, right? Okay, I have this white layer add with mask. This is pencil drawing type, but I don't think I want this because it's gonna take this shiny image on stones. So I'm not gonna use this. But let's see if I change blend mode to like divide. It shows more lighter image, shining stones. So which is nice. Maybe 60% lighten up, but I don't know. It may take this. Okay, let's show this. Okay, reveal this one too. Red brushes, evolve, and white. Just touch more. Maybe nice to have this around here, but this side is too much. Maybe I can hide some. Okay, let's see. Make mask. Now black to hide this area. Okay, now I will lighten up this emerald colors. Only for this emerald, I'm going to duplicate this layer again, image. Then bring this one maybe under this, over this then. Then make mask. Invert mask. Now I'm going to reveal with airbrushing to medium blend. Much. Just pointed these stones. Then I'm gonna lighten up only this base image. Curves, gamma. Highlight side go up, and shadow sides go down. Gives real contrast, right? Then now green goes up. This around here. Dark side is a little bit down. Color contrast. Now yellow. Go up. It's okay for this stone, but not this one, huh? So in this case though, okay, base, let's make it this stones lighter. Then I'm gonna mask this one to tone down later. So to gamma, now I'm looking at these stones only. About here, right? That's too much, I know, but I'm going to mask that. Okay, green goes right. A little bit more on shadow side. Then blue. Highlight side goes in more yellowish than the shadow side goes blue. That's too much. Okay, touch reddish. Okay, about this. This stone is alright now. Now I'm gonna mask this one, right? Okay, let's see. This is the one I just touched. This layer. So I'm gonna fix this mask. Now using the same brush, medium blend to hide. About this much. Then this one, mask. I'm gonna mask inside too, just a touch more. This is too much. Okay, now check. Let's divide. It's lighten up this side to hide some. Yeah, only this side. Okay. Yeah, this side is alright. Now this mask is alright, and this lighten up stones alright. Then this is base image. Now this is white overall layer, high with white layer. Then this is luminosity effect image. Okay, now I'm gonna review some more from this. To show the image, or maybe add some color. Okay, I'm gonna add layer over this. Then let's see, use evolve this time. Maybe I should show this. So I'm gonna review this mask. and also mask. Divide shows up more lighter, so well, okay, I guess that's it. Let's see, I'm adding colors here, but not much effective. Okay, I'm gonna delete this color layer. I don't need this. It's now effective. Well, I guess this is it for today, and almost I did lighten up the stones. Well, okay, go from, this is the base image. This one is white layer to hide with this mask. Then this is almost base image straight. Then I lighten up emeralds. Okay, then I lighten up diamonds surrounding, lighten up this with divide. Well, I guess that's about it for today, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work while using the mask, and change the blend mode, and maybe lighten up stones with different density. Well, set the colors for darker image, then mask it to light image to balance. That's what I did on these two stones. Well, thank you again, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.